How to add verification emoji on Telegram. If you are looking to add a verification emoji, which is a blue check mark next to a Telegram name or channel, here is what you need to know. So to get the real verification badge from Telegram, you can't just add an emoji manually. You must apply for the verification. So the requirements are your Telegram channel, group or bot must be public. You must already be verified on at least 2 other platforms like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok or GitHub. Now how to apply? Go to this official page, which is telegram.organization. Now open your Google account and simply tap onto the search bar and type telegram.org just like this. Now here you can find the page verification guidelines. Now from here you can simply apply and submit links to your Telegram account and your verified social accounts and wait for Telegram's team to review and respond. And to be officially verified, apply through the telegram.org verify. If you just want a visual emoji, you can add it manually to your name or group title. And that's it. This is how you can add verification emoji on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.